Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cooking for Kira, and I just did a video on making pasta from scratch. If you guys haven't seen it, go watch it now. But I thought, what better to go along with homemade pasta than homemade pesto? So, super easy, gonna have a lot of fun. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so we're gonna need a few things in order to make pesto today. We are going to need, of course, big old 2 handfuls of sweet Italian basil. We're going to need 80 grams of olive oil, 30 grams of freshly grated Parmesan. We're gonna need 30 grams of pine nuts, which I've already blended together in a food processor. We're gonna need some flaky sea salt, and we're gonna need some black pepper. So you just take all of this, blend it up in the blender, and you have yourself some homemade pesto. So let's get into it. So first thing we're gonna do is add our basil leaves. I love the way that basil just smells, just even on your hands afterwards. Kind of like some sort of perfume. All right guys, now we have our basil in our blender, we're going to be adding our Parmesan cheese and pine nuts. Okay, now we're going to be adding our olive oil. And our black pepper. Finish it off with a little bit of sea salt. And let's blend it all up. It smells so good. Alright guys, how simple is that? Homemade pesto from scratch you use on your pizzas or your pastas, whatever you guys need it for. Just keep in your fridge for probably about a week and use it whenever you need to. Enjoy. Do you want some pesto? It makes a good drum, huh? Well, that does it for our pesto from scratch video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. And subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to see more recipes. We'll catch you guys soon. Can you say bye? No. Okay. You want to go outside? All right, let's go outside. Catch you guys next time.